Welcome back to Here We Go Again, baby number two. Today we are going to take a look at my favorite meal of the day, breakfast. Without breakfast, I am a raging bitch on wheels, literally. So you might want to stay out my way until I eat. For most people, it's coffee, but I hate coffee. So I just gotta do breakfast. So during this pregnancy journey, I just wanted to make a more conscious and consistent effort in eating the right things and incorporating things that I don't really like oatmeal, um, but trying to do what's right for my baby and not what's right for me. So here we go. It's super important for vitamin D. That's where sardines come in. During pregnancy, vitamin D is critical for the fetal development. So I use eggs. The yolk contains a lot of vitamin D, and so does the sardines. So if I combine them, it's like double whammy. Then I use garlic powder a lot in my eggs. No idea why, I just like garlic taste and everything. So there goes my scrambled eggs. I use butter, not oil. Yes, it might be bad for you, but the taste is just not the same when you use oil. I'm adding spinach. Get my little greens in there. And like I mentioned in the previous videos, I don't really like vegetables too much, so hence the fruit smoothies and juicing that I do, but I can handle that. Now, tea is essential, so I have green tea to give me energy. But drinking a hot beverage with your meal helps with digestion. So I have been lucky not to suffer with heartburns or anything like that. So my tea gets packed up. And water, alkaline water is life. So alkaline water really helps balance out your body, get rid of the toxins, and hydration is key, particularly during pregnancy, because you're not only drinking water for you, but for two. Fruits, don't forget those. I love blueberries and strawberries. I also make oatmeal in the mornings. So the oatmeal is typically my first breakfast. While I'm driving to work, I eat the oatmeal in the car, silk, almond milk. I do the instant oatmeal because anybody got time for that. I hate oatmeal. I'm suffering through it just because of the baby, but I do not like oatmeal under any circumstances. So I eat the oatmeal on the way to work, and then that's usually like about 7:30 in the morning. But then I eat my second breakfast, which you saw me make earlier, around 10:30 while I'm at work. So before I hit lunch, I already had all of these essentials, if you want to call it that. And then you'll see me making ginger tea that I can drink after the oatmeal because the aftertaste is disgusting. And the hot tea helps to like get all my enzymes in my stomach moving early in the morning. So this is really like my morning routine. Sometimes I add honey to my tea. Most times I drink it with absolutely nothing, no sugar, no honey. But this is me in the mornings, prego time. Thank you again for tuning in. Make sure you subscribe, like, and comment below. This is interactive. If you have anything that you would want to see me try or something that you think might have good adverse effects on myself and the baby, please let me know. Comment below. See you guys soon.